How to add Wix shop to Instagram. That is what I will be showing you in this video. So what you want to do first is copy your Wix shop link. So this is the link to your website. So I've emailed this to myself, so I'll open this email right now. So right here I have the email. So what I will do is copy this link. So this is my Wix shop and I'm going to add this to Instagram. So now what you want to do is open up Instagram. Then go to your profile in the bottom right and click on Edit Profile. Now right here you can immediately see links. Go ahead and click on Add Links. Now here you can add an external link. So here you have to paste in the URL. So this is the URL that we just copied from our Wix shop. And here let's give it a name. I'll just name it Wix shop and then click on Done. So now when we go back to our profile, we can see that right here we have the link to our Wix shop. So when we click on this, it will open our Wix shop. So that's how you can add your Wix shop to Instagram. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.